Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the Fetal Pig Dissection Lab. And I'm, of course, not able to go into the classroom. I've been sick, and it's actually bronchitis. But I'm feeling better. But Doc said I'm not supposed to leave the house for about 14 days, so I'm still kind of cooped up, and you're going to have to do this lab virtually, of course, kind of against my will. I would love to be doing this myself. This is a joint video for bio and anatomy. I figured I'd make the same one since why bother making two videos when they're both talking about the same thing. This is kind of an end of the year finale dissection, the fetal pig. The pig, of course, fetal meaning it is a pig that was not yet born, and so it still has its small size, and yet even within the womb it has all the characteristics of a regular pig, and so it makes for a really good dissection. There's two videos for today, part 1 and part 2. It's going to take you maybe a grand total of 13 minutes to watch these videos, which is not a big deal. Please follow along in the dissection manual that I have given you. Now, biology students, that's going to be in your lab book, whereas anatomy students, it's actually going to be on a printout. And this lady who does this dissection is incredibly good. She works for ACE Connect. ACE is a Christian curriculum, and these videos were made in 2019, so they look great. And you're going to be able to identify all of the external elements in this video here, the first one. You can even see its umbilical cord where it was attached to the placenta of the mother. Talks about, oh, she's even got the thing kind of tied up. That's cool. It talks about how to dissect, how to open up the pig, and not destroy any of its innards, cutting the umbilical cord, all that. And then this is a little bit more of the internal parts of the pig, like the pharynx, the larynx, the heart, etc. Biology students, you're going to have some questions to answer. This video should cover most of those questions. If it doesn't cover the exact question you are looking for, feel more than welcome to take a look online and find the answer to that. And anatomy students, I'm sorry that you don't have you don't have this year-end lab, but I'm sure that if you're going into anatomy in college, you're going to have some really cool things to dissect that are better than a pig, maybe a cadaver or two. So my favorite one was the cat we had to dissect, because I hate cats. I was like, ripped it open. So that sounds kind of evil, but that's okay. Anyways, I hope you have a great day and enjoy this fetal pig dissection video and accompanying questions and bookwork.